Welcome to 3922 Willow Heights. Hi, I'm Donna, Nell, Weston with Keller Williams Coastal Bend. Thank you for joining me today. Come on in, let's check out this beautiful home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage beauty with over 2,000 square feet of living area. The kitchen is exceptional. Check out the gas stove. And this vent-a-hood is a real thing of beauty. This utility room features a nice stainless sink, lots of granite, and very generous cabinet space. This is a great space off of the entry for the kids to drop their backpacks, their shoes, etc. Look at that gorgeous ceiling. The master bath is gorgeous. Granite, lots and lots of closet space, a fabuloso shower, a spa tub, and again, so much storage space. Check out the quality second bath. There's good space on both sides of the backyard and patio, and there's a half bath out there too. Check out the outside kitchen with gas grill and fireplace. You won't find a more special home for the price. And Cal Allen Schools, this one won't last long. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And remember, when you get ready to buy or sell a house, it's buy or sell, call Donna Nell. The number's below.